Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack on the ongoing case. Senzo Meyiwa, we're coming back on the 14th. We don't know what's going to happen on that day because ukuthiwa manje people, the word in the streets, ithi abantu abazwani. Kaxatshana manje angithi ukhumbula ukuthi ubaloyi. And Gininda a pair. Esasmasiyibuka sathi okay, this pair is for a lifetime. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi actually uGininda and Baloyi, when these decisions is a 636 were made ukuthi u375 isumfake ngaphansi kombhede, they were both there when uMakhubo was there, who started this case, and then he was concentrating on 375 80. There were no intruders at the Khumalozi on the 26th of October 2014. Wathi uGininda they were, uBaloyi backed them up, kwalalelwa bona-ke, and then thina sakhahlelwa kanjalo siyahlanya ngithi thina we are crazy. So they were like, okay nina-ke your time is done, sizoba busy thina no 636. This is where we are-ke manje. This is why we're coming back again on the 14th. But apparently laba bobawu-2 manje, they are not seeing eye to eye. Kuyaxatshanwa manje. uGininda ubajikele ngathi ujikela nokheli. We like, that's exactly what we want thina. Angithi now vele we want the truth. We want 375. We want people who are in the house to tell us what happened on the day. That is all we want. That's all we want for the Meyiwas, basically. And then uGininda, which means he has two versions, about 2 to 3 actually, because the first one, they were intruders in the house. Hence, the 5 accused are sitting in that dock every day. So we see them as he's proceeding with whichever defense lawyer is asking him questions, right? And then the main version, which is the second version, Brigadier Gininda, is the one that he came with, was uthi uKelly uyi-mastermind, right? But he couldn't prove ukuthi uyi-mastermind kanjani. And they busy umsholelo emhlalelo, u-advocate Sanje umsholelo eTable bra. Mawuzuthi umuntu uyi-mastermind, you need to break it down to us and be telling us ukuthi ufike nini lapha? How did you get there? Ngestory sokuthi no, uKelly, she lost the phone. Labo bantu laba abawu-5 bathatha ifoni. And nakhona uma uyi-mastermind, why are you in the house with the people berobwa yilabo bantu abafikayo abawu-5 that you claim they came? Oh guys, it's a lot, eh? And he is not reprimanded about that uGininda. He just says this whenever it suits him, and then ayekelo ukuthi uKelly uyi-mastermind. But you're not saying ukuthi uyi-mastermind. How? You need to break it down to us and be like, okay, uyi-mastermind because that's and that. It's the 30,000 that was given to uBongani Ntanzi, but accused number 5 ufisa ukuhle uyena usebenzisana noKelly, who was calling Kelly from the 15th of October before the 26th ukuthi this is how it's gonna go down. But ayizwakala into yakhona to this day. Ayizwa nini futhi ifoni kaKelly esitholakala futhi emva komnyango. Guys, ikwenzakalani kule case ngempela? When are we going to get the truth, like, of exactly what happened on the day? Ukuyibona leyo nto leyo and be like, okay, this is what happened. You can't be saying so many versions whenever it suits you. You'll be like, okay, I know today actually mastermind uKelly. No, in fact, abantu abawu-5 ibona bambulala bafika. This is how they look like how Zandi lied to say this is how they looked like. As a sumnisi, Brigadier, please. And you're son of a sukumbisa kanjani. That's a Brigadier, please, bandla ngiyacelela u-accused number 3. Uyambona ngithi his light. How is it that he had dreadlocks and then he was tall now all of a sudden? Ingona umuntu lo is not tall. And I think the main thing futhi kakhulu ayelwisa umnisi ukuthi he is light, Pizarro is brown. He's brown. He's there on the photos. Guys, uBrigadier Kininda got wrong. Wrong. And uBrigadier Kininda has contradicted himself so many times. Ngoba umnisi will be telling him, Puti, can you please balance me here? Balance me here. Uthini? Kahle. We want to say you're not telling the truth. Sigcina sesisugarcoat-a phela sesimsaba uKininda sithi, I know. Oh, you're not necessarily calling him a liar straight, but it's more like, Uthini, you are not telling the truth. It's crazy, guys, how then this thing comes off as a robbery, right? But akazi bathathelwe next, guys. And nale cellphone angithi ekuthiwa iyarobhwa iyagcina isitholakala futhi khona la endlini. So guys, abantu aba-5 abaningi kanje bathatha in, guys. What did they take? Yabona ukuthi la bantu laba, the commandos, have actually failed the Meyiwas, including other extra people who were in the house ulongwe ke loyo. They failed this family. Like yini into enzima ngempela la ukuthi batshele le family, like I said on the video before this one, ukuthi they could have just went to the Meyiwas and be like, we are sorry. Ayikho indlela engasixolela ngayo. Without even them being arrested. And they even made an example, some narration yokuthi back in the days emandulo abantu bebengaboshwa, guys. Bekhulunyiswana amafamily. Kuthiwa ingane esezonile siyaxolisa. Why are the commandos like this, guys? Bafika nini lana kodwa, guys? Lo mama wafika nini lana uNtomzodo Khumalo? uGladness. Why? Ulala kanjani nje ebusuku, guys? What does she say? Mina, even like I said, guys, I even feel like she can even do it herself on her own. Aqondane ngqo noma ka Senzomiwa intela ukuthi no. Ngiyabona ukuthi impela la kwenzeka ngenye indlela. I'm really sorry. Kunokuthi, guys, abantu aba-5 bahlala nje ejele for 5 years. Are we not going for the 6th year? Behleli nje bengazi ukuthi bangena kuphi le nto. There's a point where 2 of those 5 people were even saying, we don't even know Senzomiwa from a bar of soap, ukumbona ngamehlo, and we were not even tight with him like that. Meaning, nebhola asilazi asinandaba, we didn't care. But sisihlele ejele, sihlale into esingayazi. Esingangeni nakancane. How many times, guys, in that court have they said ukuthi hayibo labantu aba-5 abangeni nawo kule nto, abangeni indawo? Pinky Vitalingham has said it. What it is, people are not connected at all next to the crime scene. Safika nini la slide nje infected kule court. That is why you see Mshodolo, actually all of them in defense had said it so many times ukuthi this is an unfair trial kubona and the 5 accused, because stuff will start to come njenga into ye-mastermind evele nje yaqhamuka from nowhere, this thing. And I just feel ukuthi uBrigadier Kininda usenze slim ngale nto ye-mastermind, kuba you can't even explain it, this thing. Why would you just decide manje futhi at the end of the day and decide on this? Kuwukuthi you are saying ba-5 abantu abafika endlini, but balidwa ubani? Balidwa uKelly, but into yakho ayina-substance nje ayibambeki. Why would you be saying things like that? Because you are busy thinking you are smart when udlula wonke umuntu, when you know very well ukuthi ukhuluma amanga. That is why ezobe ethi, especially Mshodolo, athi this is a trial by ambush phela, but these people just ambush us. And uLethi Mngomezulu wayiphinda kaningi ngathi lento yokuthi, you know what, ayikho, guys, lento. Like, why are we even doing this to ourselves? These are lies. This whole thing actually was cooked and manufactured. And by Pega Gupi, Le Epritor, Behleli, Ubaloyi was sitting there as well. This is why at times Abon Ubaloyi, he doesn't even know what to do. When the defense is like, please, this is not working out. Asukumbaloyi, I say, no, we can't talk about that now. When they come and say, defense, here is a narrative of 375. And he was pressing uLethi Mngomezulu ukuthi, I will bring my people, man. Who will tell you ukuthi this whole thing is hogwash? Asubaloyi, that's not what we are talking about now. That's actually not allowed. Ye Ubaloyi has jumped, I don't know how many times he will jump from his chair when you start mentioning 375. Ukuthi there were no intruders in that house. I said, no. There's nothing like that. Ukuthatha kuphi lokho? Oh, hi, Ubaloyi bakwethu. He's in so much trouble, like he doesn't even know himself some days, you know? And nakhona, uyu mastermind. How many times last year? Almost every weekend, especially in winter last year of 2024. This weekend, even Nagu TV in the mid, they will be saying things like, this weekend Kelly will be arrested. Guys, Njalo, Kelly will be arrested. We will wait. And bambos, the defense, because then why ngabosh? Uyabona ukuthi lo baba udlalile kazi ngabantu. I don't know, he thinks mhlambe i-defense ba-slow, or what does he think is going on in that cause? This version nje ye-mastermind ayisebenzi because the same mastermind is walking the streets of Johannesburg like for manje what must happen kuzokwenzakalani. And then the sister will be saying things like, oh my gosh, mina my sister has a good heart. Remember, I even said, this is not about good hearts, guys. And all you want. This is not about that. That's not even important to us. Challenge straight and be like, this is what exactly happened on that day. Like last year, mastermind this weekend in Uzandi. Oh man, I know my sister. Kusiza ngani lokho when you can't tell us ukuthi actually deleted senzo lapha kini. Uyayibona leyo nto. Sizoke sime kancane ngale story se-mastermind and ngendlela esikhoze ngayo i-commotion and the rift between uKelly Khumalo, uBrigadier Gininda noBaloyi. Because uBaloyi was very surprising as story se-mastermind because that's not what they agreed on when they agreed. This is how we're going to narrate the case. And then umuntu usafike useqhamuka ney'tori zama-mastermind, uBrigadier Gininda efaka umntana wabantu ngaphansi kwe-taxi-ke this time. Yabona i-taxi ncane kanjani ngaphansi? Hayi kwibhasi. Wamfaka. Waxakeka manje uBaloyi ukuthi, how do I come out of this uJohn Baloyi? Ngiphuma kanjani? Uthini manje lo baba lo? I think uyaphunyukelwa lo abathi uBrigadier Gininda. So kesime kancane lapho, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for always supporting me, especially on this channel. Things have taken other directions on this channel, and mangicabanga ukuthi I went through so much with this channel last year in April, but I'm over it now. You know, I'm going forward and with your help, basically. I appreciate you guys so much. Ngithanda over.